I mean, American spirits.
And Spears.
American spirit smoking. And if you talk to Reese Hayes, he'll tell you, I'm fine.
He's got his own MO these days. Modus operandi. Avalanche Adams sizing up Reese. Adams with the clear size advantage in this matchup, but that's not unfamiliar territory for Reese Hayes.
Absolutely not. Reese Hayes with the experience advantage, though.
That was kind of smooth.
One of the original Steel City Killers.
Longest reigning 880 champion is amateur wrestler Reese Hayes. Big suplex there.
Unfazed, just same facial expression.
Very stoic, very focused is Reese Hayes tonight. Collar and elbow tie up here into a wrist lock. Reese fighting for control, trying to roll out of it into a back bridge. Into a toss of some kind.
Some sort of back toss. Love to see it. Feels like every week Reese Hayes is showing me something brand new.
Big chop there. Sends Avalanche Adams back into the corner, and another one for good measure.
Can't help but think if Avalanche Adams' chest is still a little tender from that big chop fest he received by the hands of no other than King Envy Young.
Well, if it is, he just got re-tenderized. And a little bit of here you go right back. Forearms to the face of Reese Hayes. Whipped out of the corner, reverses. Adams up and over. Didn't quite get all of that kick, but he separated from Reese. Big drop kick. And Adams, with the long legs, able to reach Reese from about halfway across the ring.
Big collision in the corner there. Oh. The rotation that Avalanche Adams able to pull off there.
Two. You're right, T. There's a huge amount of power in that suplex.
Absolutely. Reese Hayes can be seen this weekend going up against Ron Bass Jr. at Rude Awakening. Reese Hayes can't help but, you can't overlook your current opponent. Can't look past a double.
Amateur wrestler Reese Hayes.
A little bit of barking coming out of a double in this one.
Yeah, they're chirping at each other. Taking a second before he goes into the cover. Man, they're both just leaving it all out there in the ring tonight.
Can't help but think Reese Hayes has an opportunity outside of Pittsburgh this weekend. Avalanche Adams trying to prove to everyone in the locker room, like, hey, I could be a part of that as well.
And not only that, that he can be taken seriously as a singles competitor. He's in a lot of six-man tags. He's in a lot of tag matches with his DOJ partners.
Damn right, partner.
Oh, into a single leg crab of sorts. Adams pretty close to the ropes, reaching. Oh, and he reaches the bottom rope, forcing Reese Hayes to break the hold. George Ross getting in there.
Who knows what would have happened if Reese Hayes cinched that in the middle of the ring?
That's true, and that's where the length of Avalanche comes into play.
Oof.
Reese Hayes coming with a huge head of steam out of those corners and into a bulldog. I mean, that's got to be close to it.
It's got to be.
Oh, and we've seen this before, TRK. Jordan,
Reese Hayes.
perfect position. And Adams able to squirm out of it somehow.
Fighting out of it.
Some great hand fighting there.
Got a little bit piece of his eyes.
And from technical wrestling to just stomping on him.
He's got it all. Big uppercut. If you look at the thigh muscles, the quads. Speaking of which, kitchen sink.
1, 2. Just 2 for Reese.
Part of the quad apocalypse. American wrestler Reese Hayes with a kitchen sink to the midsection. Avalanche Adams.
And just a beautiful suplex from Hayes. Flat on the back. Lining up for another one. Adams gets sent over the top one more time.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't moving. George Ross checking in with him, making sure he's good to continue, and he says he is, but eats a right and another one. Just trading rights back and forth here. Big uppercut creates some separation. Big forearm there from Adams. These guys are pretty evenly matched.
Even, you know, like it's...
Big suplex, folds him in half.
There's the third.
Rolls
there we
him
go.
Over for a cover. 1, 2. 2 count.
Avalanche Adams, still a little bit of fight left in him.
Showing a lot of guts here. And Reese getting visibly a little bit frustrated.
And that's, you know, guts takes you places in this business. Some people have talent, no guts. Some people have talent and guts.
Adams with a Samoa Joe. And all of a sudden, Reese Hayes is on the ropes. Adams coming out with a big clothesline out of the corner.
And the 880 faithful behind Avalanche Adams.
Oh, big roll through from Hayes. Ducks under.
Big suplex.
Straight into the cover. Kick out.
Trying to put away Avalanche Adams here. Can't seem to put the last pin in the coffin.
You can see Adams just sucking air right now. He's got to be close to gassed. And that suplex there can't be helping matters.
Going
Reese
back,
not
shades
releasing
of
the hold.
shades of Eddie Guerrero on these.
The three amigos. Are we going to see the third?
The Three Rivers.
Falcon arrow from Avalanche Adams into a cover. 1, 2. Kick out for Reese Hayes.
A beautiful Falcon arrow out of a double. Trying to put Reese Hayes through the canvas there.
And both competitors have until the referee's count of 10 to get back to their feet. Avalanche Adams the first to do so. Reese using the ropes to get back to his. Let's see. Reese holds on, trips Avalanche Adams and sets him up. Off the ropes.
Dial it up, baby. 4-1-2.
Reese going up top. Ooh, big cross body. 2, 3. Reese Hayes victorious.
Reese Hayes.
Big showing for Avalanche Adams against amateur wrestler Reese Hayes. Love to see the replay here, brought to you by Sidekick Media. Cross body to close things out. What do we got here?
Oh no. Nick's Wild attacking Reese Hayes after the match. Chasing George Ross off.
A sore loser.
But they won. They won.
Oh,
Reese
true.
won.
Being a sore winner. Oh, no.
Lining them up here.
Oh, no. You can't be serious.
Ducks under.
Oh. Sends them down. A couple fingers to the eyes.
This isn't a match. This isn't. This is personal. This is a fight.
Oh, no.
And there's nothing.
Reese Hayes trying to cinch in that face grab.
God, these two just cannot stand each other. And we're looking at maybe